Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I didn't know if I showed you this, and I don't think I did, but this is a little bag that I made. It's like a little Christmas bag that I put my Kindle, my Kindle reader in. I was trying to think if it was call it a Fire or something, my Kindle Fire or whatever. But anyway, I just have like a little gift bag I made, and I can actually make a ton of these and give these away at Christmas if I want. It's just a little crochet bag, and what I do, and this is a good idea, maybe if you have things you like, I just hang it on this little hook here next to where I like to sit and work on my computer and stuff. And if I feel like reading, I just take it off the hook and pick out my book. I also have my cell phone there. Um, I like gadgets, and Clay is really good about buying me like gadgets. And one of the things that I do is I always say, don't bother buying me the cover, I'll just crochet the cover. And that usually saves us a little bit, and then I can get more gadgets, right? My son was over and he's like, Mom, you need a cover for your, I've got a little tablet, and goes, you need a cover for that. And I know that I just, for this one here, because I have this too right next to my little desk, I just keep it in a little basket. I have a cover for it, but it just works out good, because a lot of times I might pull my tablet over, like if I'm, just kind of sitting or something, I might just pull my tablet over and I just keep it in this little basket. And one of the reasons I wanted a tablet, because I have so many gadgets on my phone, the tablet will help save um, the the money and the use on my phone, because I have a lot of my apps on my tablet. So anyway, that's the story on gadgets, because like I said, I just make my own covers, and if I get bored with it, I buy a new one. I mean, I can line them and make them nicer. I mean, if I needed a cover, Clay would buy me one, but I don't take my gadgets usually outside of the house except for my phone. So usually these guys are just sitting here, and we don't have little kids or anything, so they're usually safe. But they're easier for me like that. I like it. It's easy. I just pull it out, read it, put it back in to the end. If I do take my tablet with me, I will actually put this little bag right in my big old tote, and I'll just take it with me if I want to go somewhere. So, but there you go. There's my little Christmas tote. It's a great idea if you buy gadgets for your kids, and the covers are, start to add up. You can always do something like this, and then just let them know that that's why you were able to get so many gadgets. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.